Do you have a 2003 to a 2006 Cadillac Escalade? Well, I just picked up a 2004 Cadillac Escalade ESV. Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome back. But if you're new, well, welcome. You'll definitely want to subscribe to my channel because I'll show you how to save tons of money doing your own repairs on your Cadillac Escalade. But before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell. Believe it or not, this really helps me to continue making these repair videos. Okay, here's a short video telling you where to locate your sunroof fuse. So this is going to be a quick, real easy video. Plus, this is really easy to locate. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop the hood open. And if you stand just where the driver's side tire's at and look in the engine compartment, you're going to see a box right where the red arrow's at. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to remove this lid on top of this box. You're going to put your hand behind the box, you'll feel a little lip, and you're going to pull upwards and it'll pop right off. Just remove it and set the lid aside. Okay, let's get the camera in position like if you were standing next to it. So just stand next to the fender there and you're looking down into the fuse box. Okay, as you look into the fuse box here, you're going to look on the right side in the middle. You're going to see a gray box right where the blue arrow is at. Above that, you're going to see a fuse right where the red arrow's at. But next to that fuse, to the left, where the red arrow's at, is a 25 amp fuse. That is your sunroof fuse. That's a 25 amp fuse. See how easy that was to find? Now, just like your relays, you can just pull it out. And if it's bad, go ahead and replace it. It's a 25 amp fuse. See how simple that was? Well, I hope this helped. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye.